who performs for us the beautiful and graceful dancing of Siva Samoa. Tonight for us, the performing Taupou tonight, our princess, her name is Spirit So'onga. She is a senior here at Waianae High School. And this is also the dollar dance that I mentioned for PCC, and we're still fundraising. So at this time, we would like to present our beautiful Spirit So'onga.
Ja, Siva Samoa.
Tupulaga O Samoa, Tulai. How about one more round of applause for our beautiful, very talented, hard-working students of Tupulaga O Samoa. Please come and support us at PCC next week Saturday, where we will showcase our entire show. Thank you very much, and God bless. Tupulaga O Samoa, Ifo, and exit left stage.